Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am drawing the winner for the Halloween 2023 hashtag Double Click Connect Challenge, which was Halloween or purple, green, and I think orange colors. Before I pick the winner, I just want to let you know that the new release, which was October of 2023, is currently available in my Etsy shop. We have these beautiful earth deep tones. I love this set so much. That is $5 for 100 dewdrops, plus I always send a sample color. Let's see, so for Halloween 2023, we had 22 entries. This was the set of dewdrops that I'm sending out to this month's winner. I will go ahead and link the current challenge for October 2023 up above, and that is for fall, or I'm still accepting entries for Halloween for October since we're still in October. I have my random.org here, and I'm just trying to prevent that glare. We had 22 entries, so let me turn off my light. Okay, there we go, that's better. So 1 to 22. Let's generate the number, and that number is 6. And let's see, number 6 is Mary Ellen. Yay! Congratulations, Mary Ellen. You are the winner of this set of dewdrops for the September 2023 challenge. I thank you guys so much. I have been doing a huge house project, so I haven't been around as much, but that project is just about wrapped up, and I have some videos that will be coming out, and I also will be doing a lot of catch up on your videos. And I thank you guys as always so much for all of your support. I appreciate it so much. I hope you guys enjoy the new release of these colors. I have been crafting with them, and I just love how deep and rich these colors are. Think about joining my current challenge for fall or Halloween for October 2023. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody's entries. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.